Hey guys, let's target the abs today. I got a bunch of awesome workouts, so let's get started. Alright, we're going to start off here with the leg elevated crunches. We want to make sure that our legs are at a 90-degree angle, and you want to just continue 3 sets of 10. Next, we have the in and outs, and if this looks a little too complicated for you, you can rest your feet once you bring your feet back down. We're going to do 3 sets of 30. Also, we have the straight leg crunches. We're going to do 3 sets of 15. I prefer to put my feet up against a wall. You can put your feet straight up in the air without using anything. I feel this is a lot easier. Also, one of my favorite exercises, the Russian twist. You're going to do 3 sets of 20. Alright guys, this one's the up and over. We're going to do 3 sets of 15, and I use the weight. You can use anything around the house, and you just want to tuck your arms underneath your hips and just move your feet up and over. Another one of my favorite workouts, the bicycle crunches. We're going to do 3 sets of 15. As you see, my feet are planted on the ground. That is great positioning for beginners. If you're a little more experienced, go ahead and raise your legs up and go ahead and rotate your knee to elbow, knee to elbow. Alright guys, we're going to do the high plank. We're going to hold for 60 seconds. We're going to do this 3 times. I just want to let you guys know I do not do all of these workouts every single day. I pick 3 of these workouts and I do 3 of them every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I definitely rotate between the majority of these workouts. I do have some more that I will be showing you guys. Next we have barbell rollouts. This is a little more difficult workout. We're going to do 3 sets of 5. Alright guys, we're going to go into the ankle grabs. These are great for your obliques. We're going to do 3 sets of 15, and you want to keep rotating back and forth. Next we have the plank dips. You're going to get in plank form and you're going to rotate your hips back and forth, and this really helps work the obliques. On top of doing these workouts, guys, you definitely want to make sure that you're on the right diet, because diet plays a huge role into making sure you get abs. Last but not least, mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for cardio and great for your overall abs. 3 times for 30 seconds. Let's go.